Hi everyone, it's Peckish Lulu here, and today I'm going to show you a humble dish from my hometown of Shanghai called scallion oil noodles, also known as bumi. It's one of those lazy meals my mum will whip up when I was a kid, and I still love to eat it to this day. It features a dry noodle base of fragrant scallion roasted oil and soy sauce with the secret ingredient of dried shrimps. So if you want to know how to make this easy but tasty noodle dish, then keep watching and let's get cooking. So now our scallion oil noodles are all done. It's freshly made and that's how you need to eat it. And the smell alone is so comforting. I can't wait to have a taste. And I personally love pairing it with a crispy fried egg, which I have right here. So the noodles are so well coated in that beautiful sauce, and you can straight away taste the fragrant flavor of the roasted scallions. And then you've got the umami and savory flavors of the dried shrimps and the soy sauce that makes you just want to keep eating these noodles. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this quick and easy Shanghai style scallion oil noodles. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this, and also check out the blog write-up at my cooking blog peckishlulu.com, and you can follow me on my socials at peckishlulu as well. And if you try out this dish, make sure you tag me. I would love to see it, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Stay peckish!